Top end is on. Everything's torqued down. Oil has been changed. Everything's looking pretty good. Timing is right on the money. Now the valves should still be the exact same. You didn't mess with anything in the head, so everything's all tightened back up. Exhaust is tightened back up. All new gaskets, new seals. Yeah, so let's put some fuel to this thing and see if she fires up easily and doesn't make any weird noises. All right, moment of truth. Keys here, battery's good. We got gas, fresh oil, new filter. Turned the engine over a bunch of times, make sure there's no noises, and it turned over freely. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Real good. Engine's actually quieter than what it was with the other piston in it. My bolt's gonna go flying. Sounds awesome. A little bit of smoke from my oily hands all over everything. That should fix itself. Wow. All right, so we let it warm up for a little while. Seems to be running great. Idle's fine, no weird noises. I'm just gonna double check the oil, make sure the oil level's good. Then we're gonna take it back out. Fire back up, let it sit in idle a little bit longer. Do a couple heat cycles, take it around the yard. That'll probably be on the next video. Yeah, I can add a little bit of oil left. All in all, super thrilled. All installed. She ran, gave her a good first heat cycle. I don't see any leaks, which is a plus. Man, that cam is still just extremely loud. Those hot cams, those stage 2s are just known for being loud. Man, it's annoying. I don't like it. So maybe the next thing we'll do is go to a webcam. But either way, fires right up. Seems to have good throttle response. And didn't get on it too much. Just pop the throttle a couple times to see what it would do. And good throttle response. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see until the next video of test riding it. And again, just kind of getting some heat cycles on this thing. Pretty excited. Pretty excited. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. God bless.